Hello students. In today's mathematics class, let us continue with chapter 8. We are doing profit loss. Today the topic is discount. Okay. Discount is the reduction of price. Means the price that we reduce, and it is calculated on mark price always. When we have to calculate selling price, it is written as SP. We take mark price minus discount. Okay, so SP is equal to MP minus discount D. So if we have to calculate discount from here, then we take discount to the other side and SP will come to right hand side. So discount becomes as MP minus SP, means market price minus selling price. Same way we can calculate market price also from here. Market price is equal to selling price plus discount. Alright, so when we have to calculate discount in percent, we write discount amount upon mark price into 100. As I told you, discount is calculated on mark price always. Okay, so discount upon mark price into 100 is discount percent. Now let us continue with our exercise 8.3. There we have done 11 questions already. Let us start with 12th question. Find the selling price when the mark price is rupees 775 and discount is 15%. Now we know mark price is given rupees 775 and discount percent is given as 15%. It means this discount is on mark price, so this is 15% of mark price. Okay, so when we calculate 15% of rupees 775, it will become 15 upon 100 into 775. Okay, so our value comes 116.25. Okay, now the question is to find the selling price. So selling price is equal to MP minus discount. So MP is rupees 775, and when we do minus 116.25, we get here as rupees 685.75. Question number 13 is find the mark price when selling price is rupees 7,200 and discount is 10%. Okay, so we have to calculate here mark price. We are given selling price and discount percent. So we know the formula here. So accordingly we will use it. Now we have to find mark price, but discount we can calculate on mark price only. So we will have to suppose mark price. So we will write let the mark price be rupees X. We can do it with 100 also. Okay, so discount will be equal to 10% of mark price. 10% of mark price means 10% of X. Okay, so when you calculate 10% of X, it is 10 upon 100 into X. So we get here X upon 10 as discount. Now we know the formula of selling price. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. So when we put the values here, we get X minus X upon 10. Now we have to take 10 as LCM. So 10X minus X. So here we get 9x upon 10 as selling price. Now when the selling price is this 9x upon 10, at that time mark price we have taken as x. So we have to calculate when the selling price is 7,200. So we will make a statement here when the selling price is rupees 9x upon 10. This is 9x upon 10. Then mark price is rupees X. When the selling price is rupees 1, then what will be the mark price? That is X divided by 9x on 10. and we will calculate for 7200 when the selling price is rupees 7200. Then what will be mark price? It will be equal to x upon 9x upon 10 into 7200. Now we can reciprocate the denominator here. So x into 10 on 9x into 7200. Okay, x cancels with x, and here we get 800. It means our mark price is rupees 8000. Okay, so this is our answer. Now question number 14 is, an article is marked 40% above the cost price and sold at 10% discount. Find the profit percent made. Now it is marked 40% above the cost price. So we will have to suppose cost price. Let the cost price be rupees X. Then it is marked 40% above it. It means in the cost price 40% of it is added. Okay, so when we will solve it, it is 40 on 100x. So 100 is the LCM here. So we get 100x plus 40x, that is 140 upon 100x. Alright, then it is sold at 10% discount. So what will be the discount amount? That is 10% means 10 upon 100 of MP means into 140 upon 100x, because our MP is 140 upon 100. Okay, so when we cancel here, we are left with 14x upon 100. Alright, then what is selling price? Selling price is MP minus discount. So we put the values here. It is 140 upon 100x minus 14 upon 100x. LCM will remain 100. So we get here 140x minus 14x. So it becomes here 126 upon 100x. Okay. Now we got SPS 126 upon 100x. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So we get here 126 upon 100x, and selling price CP we have taken x initially. Okay, so we have to take again 100 as LCM. So we get here 126x minus 100x. It means our profit comes here 26 upon 100x. Now we know the formula of profit percent, that is profit upon CP into 100. Our profit is 26 upon 100x and our CP is x into 100. Okay, so when we solve it here, our denominators combine together and we cancel here, and our answer comes here as 26%. This is a profit percent. Alright, now question number 15. Find the rate of discount when marked price is rupees 900 and selling price is rupees 720. This is very simple. Here we get marked price is rupees 900 and selling price is rupees 720. We know discount is marked price minus selling price. Okay, so we get here 900 minus 720, that is rupees 180. Now discount percent is equal to discount upon mark price into 100. So 180 upon 900 into 100. Okay, so we get here 20. So it means our discount comes as 20%. Alright, then question number 16 is, Akash purchased a book at 20% discount on the mark price but sold at the mark price. find the gain percent of Akash. He purchased a book at 20% discount on mark price. Okay, so if we take the mark price of the book be rupees X, then what is the selling price of that shopkeeper? That is mark price, that is X minus 20% of mark price, 20% of X. So when we calculate, we get minus 20 upon 100x. 100 is the LCM. So 100x minus 20x. So 80x upon 100. We can write it as 8x upon 10. So this is the selling price of that shopkeeper. It means this selling price is actually the cost price for Akash, because Akash has purchased it. Okay, so the cost price of for Akash is rupees 8x upon 10, but he sold it at mark price. It means what is the selling price for Akash? That is mark price, that is rupees X. Now we know the formula of profit, that is selling price minus cost price. So selling price is here X and cost price is 8x on 10. So we take 10 as LCM. So we get here 10x minus 8x, that is 2x on 10 is the profit. Okay, but we have to find gain percent. So gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100. Here I am writing profit because profit and gain one and the same thing. So we get here 2x upon 10 and into CP, and CP we get here 8x upon 10 into 100. Okay, so we get 2x on 10 into 10 on 8x into 100. 10 cancels here, 2x and 8x 4 and 25. So our answer is 25% is the question. Number 17 is, after allowing two successive discounts of 15% and 5%, a ceiling fan is sold for rupees 3230. What is the mark price? Now there are two discounts. It means whatever mark price we will take, first we will find discount for 15%, and on that remaining amount we will have the 5% discount again. Okay, so let us take the mark price of ceiling fan be rupees X. Now selling price after first discount of 15%, it will be equal to mark price minus 15% of mark price. So we will write it as X minus 15 upon 100 X. Again we will take here 100 as LCM. So we get here 100x minus 15x. So it comes as 85x upon 100. So this is the selling price after first discount of 15%. Now on this selling price again there is a 5% discount. So what will be new SP after second discount of 5%? That will be equal to this SP first SP, that is 85 upon 100x minus 5% of it. Okay, so when we calculate here, it is 85 upon 100x minus, and we can solve it as 5 on 100 into 85 on 100x. So we get here 85 upon 100x minus 17x upon 400. So 400 we will take as LCM here. minus 17x. So it will be 323x upon 400. Okay. So now we have to find the mark price. Now when this is the selling price 323 upon 400, so we will write if selling price is rupees 323 upon 400x, then mark price we have taken as x. For 1 it will be equal to x upon 323 x upon 400. Okay, and for 3230 we will calculate, it will become x upon 323 x upon 400 into 3230. Now we can reciprocate the denominator into 3230. X cancels with x, and here this comes as 10. So it means our mark price is rupees 4000. So this is our answer. Okay. So children, we have done till 17th question. Only one question, number 18th is left. I want you people to try that question on your own. Okay. Otherwise, we will discuss that question in our interactive session. Okay.